Good morning, YouTubers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Genesis Goat. Got some more rocks for you to look at. Right here, this is a pretty unique looking piece. It's got some real nice crystals on it. I don't know what they are. Amber, not amber, but I don't know. Provide comments if you would. Let me know what you think. This has got some pretty nice crystals growing in it. Sun's not out today, so it's kind of a dreary day. This, I am unsure if it's jade or if it was a crystal. It might just be a rock. It is got a slight aqua green tint to it. This looks like part of a geode, but it has crystals all the way around it. Here's a tiny little piece with some more crystals. Pretty awesome how they grow in there. This piece here, it's unique. It's got a large crystal, and then it's got this green crystal attached to it. It looks pretty raw. It's never been cleaned. But if you have any ideas what the heck this green thing is stuck to the side of it, let me know. Let me know if I'm rich, if it's jade or emerald. All right. Got this little crystal here. It's pretty soft. You can scratch it with your thumbnail. It's almost like a soapstone. Got a bee checking me out here. All right. Here's another crystal. It's clear. Got a spot in the middle that you can see through. This one is the same. It's kind of clear. I don't know if this was a crystal or if it was just a rock that somebody was messing with. Here's another crystal. It looks like soapstone. I picked these up in a rock quarry, local. That one and that one. This is a pretty nice crystal. It's a big one. Probably 3.5 inches long. A couple inches in, through this way. But it's beat up a little bit. This looks like just a regular rock, but it is a crystal. Little tiny one here. It's got some rainbow in the middle of it. If you look through that way, I don't know if you can see it on camera, if I can pick it up, but it's got a little bit of a rainbow right there in the middle of it. And this is unusual. It, again, is very soft. You can scratch it with your finger. It's about 5 inches long, probably a 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch thick, and it's just very soft. It looks like almost like a soapstone, like a metal worker would use to scribe, to write on steel. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.